I firmly believe that if you obsess over something long enough, it will happen. Mine was more than 20 years in the making. Back in college, my best friend Christina asked me to go with her to London. I was afraid, so I said no. I knew it was going to be expensive, so I told myself, maybe one day. And in the meantime, my obsession showed up everywhere. The Rolling Stones, the reason I got into music photography, their fashion, their energy, their photos, my Doc Martens, my shirts, my makeup. All very British, all very not yet. And during that same time, I fell in love with two Van Gogh paintings. Not the Starry Night, irises, and sunflowers. I'd buy Van Gogh calendars and plaster them on my wall. Fast forward 20 years, I'm here, London. I realized that it has crazy, crazy weather. Sunny, cloudy, rain, back again. It was my first time to experience hail. If Filipinos are afraid of rain, imagine an unexpected hailstorm. We took shelter in the National Gallery. Didn't even realize it was open to the public. My son Nemo has autism. He loves to map out places. He was already walking ahead, and I followed him into it. And there were the sunflowers, right there. I didn't plan this. I didn't even research it. It just happened. I couldn't walk up close. I couldn't believe my eyes. I needed a photo for proof, but look at me. I wanted to stare at it all day. I couldn't believe that I would see Van Gogh paintings. I saw so many masterpieces. Klimt, Rembrandt, Turner, the one from Skyfall, James Bond. I saw Michelangelo's just sitting there, surrounding me. No wonder people spend whole days in galleries. They're like churches for artists. Before the trip, I heard about the UK's Sunflower Lanyard initiative for people with hidden disabilities. I searched so many stores to look for it. I walked to Paddington Station just to find one for Nemo. They gave it to me for free. Even in Dubai, they recompensed the lanyard. And it hit me. I had a sunflower on the wall at 18, and here I am in London, holding one, and my son, he was never allowed to painting.